Woohoo! Starting another Tucson Rain vlog. Woo! That's cold. Cold in Tucson. I can deal with this. Like, rain on the ground. The wind knocked off that. I don't know if you saw that. Anyway. Holy crap. God. It's getting into the side of my goggles. Ah, this is so refreshing. So much for people's barbecues, right? 4th of July stuff. I'm not doing anything for the 4th of July. I'll cook me up a hot dog or something. I'm soaked. Nothing's really happening at all, ever. I downloaded Little Big Planet 1 because it was free, and so I can play it while I have other discs in the player. I also downloaded the demo to Mag, and the demo to Mag was twice as large as the entire game for Little Big Planet. So that's interesting. Ooh, back in the rain. Windy too. Really windy. Muddy. Like, nowhere in this town has grass except for rich apartment complexes. This isn't rich, but they have it set up so that we pay for their sprinkler bill. And they have it set up in a way that makes it sound like we don't pay as much. But that's alright. I like the grass, even though it's got dookies. Hey, I don't see any dookies. I was gonna show you one, but there's now rivers running down the sidewalk. There's washes everywhere in the city in order to compensate for the lack of plants in the ground. So the water just goes wherever it wants. You hear that? Probably can't hear me. This is amazing. Pure amazing. I'm actually gonna go check out something. That's loud. Yeah, it's stoked now. So Lori said there was a Lazy Boy over by this dumpster in fairly good quality. I'm not sure what quality it's in right now because of the rain. So that's pretty much it. I'm entirely soaked, and I was not in the rain before I started the vlog. It's dirty and wet, really wet. This rain is salty. And that's so weird. I don't know why it's weird. It probably comes from the ocean. So that's not so weird. The other day I saw a car that looked exactly like Kiri. Like, not, oh that looks like Kiri but cleaner. Oh that looks like Kiri but doesn't have the little thing in the back of the window. Had a thing in the back of the window and it was old. And I was like, holy crap, it's Kiri. And it wasn't. That sucked. Except, you know, I really didn't believe that it was Kiri. It was just, there's rivers. Rivers running down. Yeah, check out my goggles. I want to go see if the pools are overflowing. Holy crap! Man, I should flip this around, give you a high def view. Oh, now it's all... There we go. That was pretty funny though. I was all... Anyway. Well, I'm gonna turn it around and get a better capture of everything.